The 1999 Silhouette. The Oldsmobile Silhouette, a veritable living room on wheels. With a host of upscale features, this 6 to 7 passenger minivan offers many of the comforts of home and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, automatic transmission, power steering, air conditioning, front wheel drive, cruise control, fog lamps, passenger airbag, compass, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.